One day I placed a sale order, but it was not executed due to lower circuit. So today I'm going to discuss about what is circuit and who decide this circuit, either upper circuit or lower circuit, and where should we check how much circuit is on a particular stocks. So this video is definitely very useful for all of you. Just I am sharing the mind map and some other website. Okay, yes, just a moment. What is circuit limit? Circuit limit is the maximum range upward or downward within which a stock can move in a single trading day. For example, if there is a limit of 5% and if current share price is 100 rupees, so there must be share price can move 100 to 105 in upper side and lower side 100 to 95. Okay. Prevent excessive volatility and protects investors. What is upper circuit? The maximum price a stock is allowed to rise in a day. That is upper circuit. Once hit, buy order may keep coming in. You will be able to place your buy order, but it will not execute. But actual buying only happens if sellers are available, because everyone wants to buy only. No one are ready to sell the share. That is why it is happening. Selling interest usually dries up, effectively stopping selling. For example, if a stock is 100 rupees and has a 5% band, upper circuit equal to 105. Now understand what is lower circuit. The lowest price a stock is allowed to fall in a day. Once hit, sale order may keep coming in. You will be able to place sale order, but it will not execute. But actual selling only happens if buyers are available. Buying interest usually dries up, effectively stopping buying. Example, 100 rupees share price and 5% band, lower circuit will be at 95 rupees. Who decides circuit limit? NSE and BSE in coordination with SEBI. And it's based on liquidity, volume, volatility, risk of price manipulation, F&O inclusion. Now understand what is the role of volume. Volume plays the biggest role in circuit. So just understand if volume is very low, and what is volume? You must understand number of outstanding share. So volume depends upon number of outstanding share usually, not always. Sometime you can see number of outstanding share is very high. Still, this stock is not in a demand, not in a trend. So volume will be low. So if volume is low, it means liquidity is low. And if liquidity is low, it means if everyone wants to buy the share, then what will happen? Share price will increase rapidly. And if just assume there is no any limit, no any upper limit, then what will happen? The share price 100 rupees at present, it can go to 150 rupees, 170 rupees. That is why usually we see in the low volume stocks, there is limit of 5%. It means share price cannot go upward rapidly. Otherwise, balance, it will be unbalanced. I hope it must be clear to all of you. Common circuit bands. Mainly, these are the circuit bands: 2%, 5%, 10%, 20%. We usually see 5%. 10% and 20%, and no band also. Okay. How to check price band of a stocks? You can check in NSE or BSE website. Just open your NSE BSE website and search stocks and check price band. Just I'm showing here. This is the BSE website. You can search your stocks here. Okay, and I have opened Silcher Technology. And you can see here price band is showing 5%. It means if share price move upside, it can go till 5%. Above 5% is not possible. And in lower limit also will start at 5%. You can also check on the website, NSE website. Just search your stocks and check here. Here is saying price band. This is I have opened for Jazz Engineering. Price band you can see 20%. And one you can see here. This is BSE website, Hindustan Unilever Limited. You can see here it is no band. There is no any restriction. Okay. Now last point. Final takeaway. Why lower circuit? Lower circuit means lower volume. Small cap and illiquid stocks have low volume. To prevent sharp price movement, tight circuit limits are applied. FNO stocks have no band due to high liquidity. That's all from my side. If you found this video useful, please like and share this video to all your friends. If you have any query, any question, put your query in the comment below. Thank you so much.